Hi everyone! Today I will talk about carbon tax, a simple but powerful policy tool in the fight against climate change. As we know, greenhouse gas emissions are one of the main drivers of global warming. The challenge is that the true cause of these emissions, such as environmental damage, health impact, and climate risk, is often invisible in market price. Carbon tax changes this by putting a clear price on every ton of carbon dioxide emitted. This policy creates incentive for business and consumer to reduce emissions, switch to cleaner technology, and invest in sustainable solutions. Next, we will explore what the carbon tax is, how it works, how it differs from cap and trade, and what impact it has on business, accounting, and society. We will also look at some real-world case study and do a quick calculation together. Let's begin. Pollution is often the united byproduct of production, the very process through which business generates revenue. It becomes a self-reinforcing cycle. Money fuels production, production creates emission, and those emissions translate into real social and environmental costs. The paradox is that while society bears the consequence rising the healthcare costs, environmental degradation, and the growing threat of climate change. The emitters themselves are not the ones paying for this damage. In economic terms, this is what we call a negative externality. The true cost of pollution is hidden, left outside of the market price. This imbalance means that good, good production, sorry, good products with high emission often appear cheaper than they truly are, while a cleaner alternatively struggle to compete, unless we find a way to internalize these hidden costs. The cycle continue, production keeps growing, emission keep rising, and the burden on society gets heavier. But how we can stop about emission? The basic assumption is straightforward. If a production process generates emission, then the producer should be responsible for paying the cost of releasing those emissions. At the moment, many industries treat the atmosphere as we eat were a free dumping ground. Factory burn fossil fuel, power plant release carbon dioxide, and transportation add millions of tons of greenhouse gas each year. These environmental and social consequences of this action are significant, ranging from climate-related disaster to health problems caused by air pollution to long-term damage to ecosystem. Yet, in most cases, the businesses that profit from this activity do not directly pay for those damage. A carbon tax is designed to change the equation. Tax it if you want less something. By attaching a price to every ton of carbon dioxide released, it forces a company to account for the true cost of their activity. In other words, emissions are no longer free. Just like labor, material, or electricity, carbon become another line in the cost of doing business. This shift not only in the makes polluter financial responsibility, sorry, this shift not only makes polluter financially responsible, but also creates a powerful incentive to reduce emissions, adopt a cleaner technology, and innovate more sustainability product method. Ultimately, the principle is about fairness and accountability. Those who create the problem should also bear the cost of addressing it, rather than passing that burden on society at large. When a tax is applied to emission, it creates a continuous and lasting incentive to reduce each ton of carbon released. Come with a cost, which means company and consumer are encouraged to cut their emission after year. Over time, this is mechanism leads to steady and sustained decline in overall emission. As a cleaner technology become more attractive and polluting practice become less profitable. Simple and transparent mechanism. We can pay the emission we produce. By using taxation, government can directly reduce emission because putting a price on carbon makes polluting activity more expensive, less attractive. At the same time, a carbon tax stimulates the development and adoption of clean energy technology. Since renewable options become relatively more competitive. In addition, it provides government with a new stream of revenue that can be used to support green infrastructure, fund innovation, or return to household to ease the social impact. In this way, a carbon tax not only addresses the environmental challenge but also create opportunity for economic growth and social welfare. How it works? For example, if the government imposes a tax of $50 per ton, a coal-fired power company will automatically face additional costs. Since every ton of coal produces a certain amount of emission, as a result, electricity from renewable research becomes relatively cheaper. The tax can be applied upstream, midstream, or downstream depending on policy design. We can see the difference about carbon tax and cap and trade. If we using a carbon tax, certain a price per ton of emission and uncertain total emission reduced. So simple to administer, predictable cost for business. When we use a mechanism cap and trade, certain total emission the cap, uncertain is market price of allowance. So the notes we can note is ensure environmental target price can fluctuate. Some country using the hybrid system, this mix of both price floor selling plus emission caps and uncertain is balance between price and quantity. So in use in some country to combine this mechanism. Impact on business. Higher costs for carbon-intensive industry, risk of carbon leak, relocation of production, pressure for energy efficiency and innovation, and last, need for internal carbon pricing in investment decision. Impact on accounting and tax. First, we can see new expense item in financial statement. This is a new account. Second is disclosure requirement in sustainability reporting. Third, interaction with the tax credit and green subsidies. And final is influence forecasting, budgeting, and CapEx decision. So we have challenge. If we see at the political resistance, challenge is higher energy prices are unpopular. Second, about the regressive effect, heavier burden on low-income households. Third, a carbon leak, a global competitive issue, volatility if poorly designed. So we have in the final presentation, we can conclusion and discuss about material today. Carbon tax is simple, transparent, and effective if well designed. Effectiveness depends on the tax level and revenue use. Is your country ready for a carbon tax in the next 5 years? Now, I have mini project for you. Please describe the current status of carbon tax in your country and give your personal suggestion about tax carbon in your country. Okay, thank you everyone and goodbye.